What's up,
But I
guys?
just really
It's Boo
feel
here.
like I need to
I
connect
just want to
some
show you how
dots
to make
for some
a
people because
pop
most people
using
aren't
a
making this
microwave instead of
connection.
a stove.
You know, many people
It's a quick way of doing it. If you don't have pots, if you don't have pots or stove, you can just use a microwave to cook your pop,
They
especially
look
for
at it and
university
they
students.
take bits and pieces. The
So,
Lord speaks
as you
through
can
them
see
through a
here,
scripture that
I
I'm
have
using
my,
and ministers to
I'm going to be
them.
using
And so
an
they
ice cream tub.
take it and they internalize it.
So
and they take
what I did
benefit
is
from it
I
and
just
go their
put
way, and that's it. But what I'm trying
what
to
you call
do
this,
is to say, and again, it just
mealy
is
meal.
so, to me,
So I just put
God,
the
the
mealy
way that
meal in
all of
there.
these things, what I'm
And what I'm going
teaching
to do
on,
now
and then
is
the
pour
shootings at
water.
this school in Connecticut,
I'm going
and
to
my
pour cold
explanation
water
of how
first,
that
just
we're
a
in a
little cold
spiritual
water
war,
to
you have to win a spiritual
up
war with
to make this
spiritual
thing
weapons.
wet.
It just
And then
seems like
after that,
all of
I'm going
these
to
things
fill it
have
up with
converged. And
boiling
today, what I
water.
want to do is to show you. This is totally
So now I'm going to
unrealistic
pour
what you're
like this
talking
cold
about.
water,
But you can go back in history and look.
here
And when the
into the
righteous
mealy
are
meal.
exalted, when the righteous are the ones that are establishing the
Pour
moral
enough.
code, and instead of us
Pour enough so
legalizing
that you
and
can just get the
promoting
mealy meal like
immorality,
wet.
instead
You don't have
promote
to fill up the
godliness,
whole thing,
and
just
you
make it
teach
wet.
people to walk a godly life. That has impact far beyond the individuals whose lives are changed, but it has
As you can see,
saving effect.
it's still a bit too dry.
Jesus said
I'm going to add a little bit more cold water.
You are the salt is the only hope.
Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more water, cold water.
And I'll tell you, the only way that we're ever going to see things change is for us to take
I'm just going to mix everything up.
power that God has given us to influence people and start using it to stand
Okay, so now it's wet enough that I can pour the boiling water. I'm going to pour the boiling water, and then after that I'm going to put it in the microwave. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the boiling water into the pop so that I can be able to put it into the microwave. So I'm pouring the boiling water now. Just pour and make sure that it's completely wet. And yeah. Oops, think I dropped my spoon. So I'm gonna mix everything now. As you can see, it's like saturated. It's completely wet. It's full of water. This will allow it to absorb this water, and actually it's going to be more thicker. It's going to be like proper pop as you cook it on the stove. So just make sure you got enough water, like me now. I think I should add a little more, just so that it's nice and liquidy, sort of like. So I think it's ready now. I'm going to put it in the microwave now and just wait for like maybe 10 minutes, and then stir it. I'll stir it again, just so that you don't get like those cold spots and stuff like that. So I'm going to put it in the microwave now.
And again, I'm saying that there are natural things that can be and should be done. I am not saying we just ignore these physical, natural things. But I am saying that that is not the root of the problem. The root of the problem is evil in people's hearts. And the only way to approach that.
So I did set the microwave to like 10 minutes, but after, when the microwave timer was at like 4 minutes, I mean, this is how the pop looks like. So it's a bit dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour more water, just so that it has enough time to cook. So because it has absorbed the water, and I'm gonna stir it now and then pour more water. Okay, so now I've just stirred the pop. Now I'm gonna pour the water. I'm gonna pour the water inside, just so that it gets more watery and gets more time to like cook. So I'm pouring the water.
And I went to a village where people still were living so primitively. They were eating rats. They were living in grass huts. 10 people living in an 8-foot diameter glass hut.
Just keep steering.
We built them.
Okay, so I
a school building.
just completed
We support them on a monthly basis.
steering the pop. Now it's a bit dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water just to make sure that it's wet before I put it back into the microwave for like maybe 4 minutes, the remaining time of the 10 minutes. So I just put more water, and I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and wet so that it can just have more time to cook.
We've got Bible schools, and we've got a man, Victor, who has gone out and just a woman died on the street corner, and he prayed for her. She was raised from the dead. Many people got born again. I mean, lives are being changed. Entire areas are being transformed. We now are
okay, so now I'm done. It's nice and wet, and but it's almost ready in under 10 minutes. So now I'm going to just put it in the microwave and let it cook for like 4 minutes. And then it's going to be cooked. It's going to be ready. So now for the remaining 4 minutes. Okay, so it was like 1 minute left, and I took it out of the microwave. I'm just gonna stir it again, just one last time, and then leave it in for the remaining 1 minute. So I'm gonna put the pop back for the remaining 1 minute. So it's gonna depend on you. If you want your pop a little bit harder, you can leave it there for an extra 3 minutes or 2 minutes so that it gets drier. I mean, like the steam will evaporate. But yeah, I think I'm going to put it for the last minute, and then it's going to be done. Done. My pop, nice and done. It's as you can see, it's just like normal pop as you cook it on a microwave. So that's how you cook pop with a microwave instead of a stove. So,